Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans and this is
Miles.
And we're doing another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the mukbang show where we're going to try stuff, and if it's spicy, we'll freak out. If it's not, we're not going to, yeah. Anyways, today we've got this. This is the original Buldak bowl, and this will be the first mukbang that Miles has ever partaken in. What do you think? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So my advice is the first thing you should do is have a drink of some kind of liquid. And here's what we've prepared. It's sitting right there. That's what it looks like. You know the drill. So grab your weapon, sir. Now, usually I get both of the kids to give me a ready, set, go, but I got one kid who's trying and one sitting on the couch. So, hey, Mimi,
Yeah.
can you give us a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go.
You use a napkin. You don't like it?
I like it.
Oh. Okay, we'll see if that ends up working. This might not work at all. You like it?
Yeah.
You want to do it again?
No.
No?
No.
But it's a mukbang. You gotta eat a bunch of it. You didn't have enough to get really super spicy. Come on, give it another try. You can do it.
Okay.
Alright. Do it, do it.
It's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
I need my fire extinguisher.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Try another bite first. No?
No.
Alright, go ahead. You did good. You did good. You can put it down. You can tap out. You did it. You did it. You tried something. Miles does not like squishy foods or hot foods. I let this really cool down quite a bit. But he's done spicy before. Just not in noodle form. I will say, chilled bulldog is an interesting animal here. They did used to have a cold bulldog variety. And I don't think they have that anymore, but it was good. I will say that although it is spicy, yes, it doesn't seem anywhere near as spicy as the first time I tried it, which was quite a while ago. You tried the bulldog chips.
Oh.
And you liked those.
Yeah.
Well, this stupid GoPro is really failing quite poorly. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the GoPro, so I quit with that. Yeah, that's a bummer, stupid GoPro. But, yeah, cool. That was fun. You tried it. I'm proud of you, buddy.
I am too.
Maybe we'll have to try the 2X sometime.
Oh.
Well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
Wishing you a happy new year and enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
All right, have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.